What if you could create high-quality, engaging content in a fraction of the time it takes today, using the latest advancements in AI technology? This is no longer a hypothetical scenario, thanks to the emergence of Anthropic Claude 4, a revolutionary AI model designed to make content creation faster, easier, and more efficient. In this episode, we'll delve into the world of Anthropic Claude 4, exploring its capabilities, applications, and the potential it holds for transforming the way we create content. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, understanding how to leverage Anthropic Claude 4 can be a game-changer for your projects. So, let's dive in and discover the power of Anthropic Claude 4.
To truly appreciate the potential of Anthropic Claude 4, it's essential to understand its underlying technology and how it differs from other AI models on the market. Anthropic Claude 4 is built on a sophisticated architecture that enables it to process and generate human-like text, images, and even videos, with unprecedented accuracy and speed. This is achieved through a combination of natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, and machine learning algorithms that work in harmony to analyze inputs and produce high-quality outputs. One of the standout features of Anthropic Claude 4 is its ability to learn from feedback, allowing it to refine its outputs over time and adapt to the specific needs of its users. This level of customization and precision makes Anthropic Claude 4 an invaluable tool for content creators looking to produce engaging, personalized content without the need for extensive manual editing or revision.
As with any powerful technology, the integration of Anthropic Claude 4 into content creation workflows raises important questions about the role of AI in creative processes. Some argue that relying on AI for content creation could lead to a homogenization of styles and ideas, potentially stifling innovation and creativity. Others point out that AI tools like Anthropic Claude 4 can actually liberate human creatives from mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on higher-level conceptual work and strategic decision-making. The controversy surrounding AI and content creation also touches on issues of authorship and ownership, as the lines between human and machine contributions become increasingly blurred. It's crucial for content creators, policymakers, and the public to engage in open and informed discussions about these challenges, ensuring that the benefits of AI-powered content creation are realized while minimizing its risks.
Looking to the future, the impact of Anthropic Claude 4 and similar AI technologies on the content creation landscape is likely to be profound. As these tools become more accessible and user-friendly, we can expect to see a democratization of content creation, with individuals and small organizations able to produce high-quality content that rivals that of larger, more traditional media outlets. This shift could lead to a more diverse and vibrant media ecosystem, with a wider range of voices and perspectives being represented. Furthermore, the efficiency and scalability offered by AI-powered content creation could enable businesses and individuals to reach larger audiences, potentially leading to new opportunities for growth and engagement. However, it's also important to consider the potential downsides, such as job displacement in certain sectors and the need for new forms of regulation and oversight to ensure that AI-generated content is used responsibly.
In conclusion, Anthropic Claude 4 represents a significant leap forward in AI technology, offering content creators a powerful ally in their quest to produce engaging, high-quality content. By understanding how to harness the potential of Anthropic Claude 4, individuals and organizations can stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving media landscape. If you're interested in learning more about Anthropic Claude 4 and how to integrate it into your content creation workflow, be sure to check out our upcoming tutorials and guides. And if you found this episode informative and useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of the latest AI trends and technologies.